Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in making Biko or rice cake. Let's do it. Here are the ingredients. We have jackfruit, sliced already. We have fresh coconut, grated coconut. We have cooked sweet rice, 1 cup of brown rice, coconut cream, and 2 cans of coconut milk. We're gonna use also banana leaves here. When it's cooked, we're gonna transfer this to this serving dish on top of the banana leaves. So let's get started. First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna make a latik out of coconut cream and coconut milk. We call it latik, but it's actually we're cooking the coconut cream and coconut milk to be real thick, and we're gonna separate the coconut oil, all right, from it. So we're gonna use this for the toppings of our Biko. So we're gonna put that, and we're gonna just stir this, and probably it will take 5 minutes. So we're gonna make this real thick, and we will separate the oil from it. After 15 minutes of continuous cooking and stirring here, look at the coconut milk. It's real thick now, and soon it will produce oil, and we're gonna separate the oil from it. So it'll be maybe another 5 minutes. Look, the oil is coming out now. See the coconut oil there, and then we're gonna let this brown a little bit, and we're gonna use this for the toppings on the Biko. Now our latik is cooked already. Now what we're gonna do is we will cook our Biko, and first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put our coconut milk again. Okay, and our brown sugar, right? Put it little by little. Okay, so we'll mix it. And then we're gonna pour in our rice later. Now it's time to put our rice in, our sweet rice. Okay. And we're gonna stir this as we cook it. And then we'll and we're gonna stir it. Oh man, it is, I can smell the aroma. Wow. We'll do this for probably for the next 3 minutes or 4 minutes. Our Biko is cooked, and we'll transfer this into our serving dish. The color is not that brown because I used less brown sugar. It's up to you. how much brown sugar you're gonna put in, so the color will be brownish. But for me, for my own consumption, you know, it's less brown sugar. All right, thank you. We'll put this in the serving dish. Here is our finished product, Biko, or rice cake. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you and have a good day.